Hello guys, this is Mehul back here again with another new video. And degree is not enough to get a job. Yeah, right. So in modern culture, modern work culture, modern startup culture, everyone prefers the skill. Everyone put an effort on the skill you have rather than the degree you have, and you have to build a portfolio with your proof of work. But none of the traditional platforms like LinkedIn or anything else help you to make that kind of portfolio. So is there any way to build a portfolio with your proof of work? Actually there is. So today's site is all about that. Let me show that to you. So here is QS Media. As you can see, not QS Media. QS Media is their previous name. Now they are Fueler. So this is Fueler.io. Build your skill-based portfolio. Like, you literally can build a skill-based portfolio here. So they have a quite great UI design in their site. First of all, we have to kudos them for that. And to be honest, they have a section like in Facebook you have likes and something like that. But here you have kudos. You can kudos to everybody whom work you liked, obviously. So now let me show my dashboard because I have the access to Fueler right now. So here is my pretty cool dashboard, and they provide a byte section also. Like, this byte is actually like a booklet.io that I have featured previously. But they have more original content also, because they work with, they individually work with a lots of designers. Okay, and obviously they personally know many of them. And so basically this is my dashboard. An analytic feature will come soon, and here I can view my profile, explore other tools, settings, and log out, whatever. Now let me show you the page that it will build for me. In We were talking about that portfolio, yes. So this is the portfolio. How modern it looks, right? First of all, how modern it looks. So if you go through that, here is my little bio, then social media links, then the skills that I have, and then they have categorized their group into four things. That is first education, second your projects, third your achieve like experiences like jobs, internship, and all, and fourth is your achievements. And it is totally a timeline based portfolio management system. So here they gave you timeline, and that's it. So in this timeline, obviously everything will be arranged according to the time. Here in the work section you can see all of my works, and obviously, and here in the collaboration section, you guys, as you can see, I have two collaboration with two person. So here you can see in which project we have collaborated. Here is the collaboration section, and stat will come soon. It is not here right now, I think so. So basically that's about it, uh, about this website. And yeah, it will come soon, obviously. So basically that's about it about this website. So please go check out this website, and if you like this website, please like go and visit them, create a profile, create a cool portfolio, and share it to me in the comments, so I can also see your skills, what you like, in what you guys are passionate about, and stuffs like that, right? So basically that's it for this video. If you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have if you have any apps, or if you know about some apps, some cool web apps, or some cool websites, please let me know about all of those too in the comment section below. So bye for now.